Hi, this is Stewart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And I'd like to show you a new tool. And I've been playing around with this for the last year and a half or so. And now it's going to be on my website so my clients can just order it. I found this to be invaluable for many clients. The weather here in Western Washington is changing a bit, and got to work harder to keep the same lawn you used to have. What used to work is no longer working. What this is a new type of thatching rake, okay? It's got some nice soft springs. You do several things with it, but here I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how well this works. Now I'm a pretty healthy person here, and I can make quick work of an area. What this allows my clients to do is go through and work on certain areas of their yard that have trouble spots and get the moss out so they can reseed it themselves. The conditions of lawns it's just harder and harder to get and keep a nice lawn with the changing weather that we have. And this is just one of the ways you can do small areas of your lawn or the whole area of your lawn if you choose to. One of the other really neat things about using this tool is you could stand up this horizontally growing grass, just tease it like this, and you see how long some of this grass is. And what you can do is tease it like that, then go by with your lawnmower and cut it. And it helps prevent it from spreading. And then you can do a little overseeding in certain areas of your yard. And I have just found this tool to be really, really invaluable for many of my clients, whether they're men or women. And you can just order it right there on my website. Helps me pay for my website. And I might get $1 or something like that. Same price. It's what it costs elsewhere on Amazon. And that's about it. Once again, this is Stewart, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.